Whoever cut this screw off like this, I hate you.
Right. So this has to all come off. This is all dug fur. I don't care about saving it. And had to cut out a screw and chisel that one out. This is just a trim piece, but the screws are out of it except for that one, which is stuck because they're all these wonderful, that's probably in frame, galvanized wood screws, which I'm going to have to get used to because that's what's going in the hole. But I intend to change them out enough that they don't do this. Anyways, this has to all come up to come out of here. This is stuck to this, even though I've cut the screws. There's no other screws. This is also stuck down into here somewhere. I think it's just caulked, but I can't find any screws or any. Some of this stuff has been nailed in. This has to come up because it's all tenon together. But this also then has to come up for that to come up, and then that down there has to. So, fuck it, we're cutting the tenons. This is Doug fir. Who cares about it? This is all that nice old teak that we're going to try and keep in as many pieces as possible, but we're just going to cut the tenons to be able to start taking things up and out. These I do want to keep and use for the new companionway. So I don't want to cut the tenon out of the bottom because I'm just going to move this beam back so I can drop them back in. I have to glue some cracks and put in some scarfs, but all the fasteners are out. That's just a really good tenon.
It's an interesting thing. These, there's glass port light here, just a piece of glass tabbed in. These used to open. There's hinge marks there and on the bottom of the piece that was in here. And you see where they like nailed them in to seal them. So we've saved that glass. We'll use that somewhere else. We will not build it like this. Some of these screws just hold the deck down. Some of these screws, I think, are holding this down. They're all plugged. I don't know which is which. I'm going to have to pull out every goddamn screw. Oh. I don't wanna. Oh, wait, shit. Hold on. There's one screw that I forgot to take out of this. Oh, please tell me that's it. Where did it break? Where did it break? That's definitely one of them. Some bitch. And there's a joint in the plywood here, which is why I imagine this cover plate is on. It's stiffener, which means I've got to unscrew the billion goddamn screws in that. And I'm going to keep the, well, actually, I'm going to keep the screw, but the hole's there to show me where it is because it's not going back into this. Alright, yep, as I feared. Oh. We're gonna pick it back up and actually take the damn thing down. Now, when I say a lot of screws, I was not kidding. Oh, let's see if this comes down now. Let's see where the hidden screws are. Gorgeous. We love to see it. Gross. Yep. 1, 2, 3, 4 motherfuckers. God damn. We used to always joke the schooner I ran held 20 people. The joke was I was always barefoot, so I could count to 20 and make sure we had everyone. Alright. Help me wrap my head around something. There's another board here, right, making up this side. It's screwed in from the other side, and this side is screwed in from this side, both behind the other. How? definitely gonna have to drop a second layer of ply over, because there's just butt joints. I'm not sure if I'm in frame, but there's just butt joints with a board underneath, same thing that was back there. And yeah, one single layer of like 1-inch ply, so I'm gonna drop a second layer over. This is in damn fine shape. I mean, really, really good shape ply. So get all the old paint off, sand it down real good, get the toe rail up, sand everything down real good, drop a second layer epoxy, drop a second layer, and then glass over it, tab it in, tab it over, new toe rail, new doghouse. Almost sounds easy, doesn't it? There's a little piece of trim on this side that I had taken off, and it's a pain in the ass, and now I have to take it off to be able to get this loose. That's a tomorrow problem.